Hey guys, my name is Alex and I own my girlfriend's wardrobe. I wanted to do an unboxing video. I treated myself to the Chloe small woody tote in the calfskin leather, and I am super excited to open this. I didn't see a lot of unboxing or review videos on the small version with the leather. I believe they just came out with it for this season, and current retail is $17.90, and it's also available in black. So let's open it together. We'll talk about the packaging, and then in a couple of weeks I'm going to come back and we are going to talk about what I think of the bag, my overall honest review, things I love, things I wish would be a little bit different. But to open it up right away, I love the box, and this is something that I will definitely be keeping. It's packaged really nicely. It has a little envelope here. It just has a little thank you card and then a little return label in case I decide to return it. And the bag itself is in this pink ribbon, and I'm not going to untie it. I can actually slide the bag out without untying it. And then it is in a dust bag. And I always tell people, keep your dust bags. They will come in handy. And here she is. So initial reaction, I absolutely love it. It's a really nice lightweight bag. I was a little concerned because I know some of the bags that Chloe does in leather can end up being really, really heavy. So I was a tad bit concerned, but I'm really happy to see that it is nice and lightweight. The strap is tucked in here. The small does come with a adjustable and removable strap. And that is one of the things that drew me to this size. And I think this is a really good everyday size bag. And then the inside is like a nice linen, a little bit heavier. It has one open miscellaneous pocket and then just the main pocket here. This tote does not have any closures, which does not bother me that much because I use little like zip pouches and things like that. So I'm super excited to use this bag. I'm gonna come back in a week or two, give you guys a full review, let you know what I love, what I dislike about it, but I can tell you right now that I already love how nice and lightweight it is. So make sure you follow along, and you can also head over to our Instagram. It's just instagram.com/mygirlfriendswardrobe, and you can find us on Facebook as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in a week or two.